Your role of chair is very, very important in maintaining the outward appearance of your company to the outside world. As chair, when the document comes together by the end of the semester, you will be writing an overall chairman's letter highlighting the outcomes of your company and the future outcomes of your company over the next 12 months. The chair is also very important in running meetings. You will see in the chairman's folder a document about how to run meetings. This is a really, really important skill. And of course, when you go for a job interview or anything like that, or go into any sort of future career, you'll be going to meetings, and having some exposure to how to run a meeting is really, really important in your future career. So please have a look at that document on how to run a meeting. So the chairman is responsible for holding the meetings. Of course, sometimes the chair may not be available, and so you are quite within your power to delegate a deputy chair to step in if you're unavailable. The chairperson, once the archivist has written the minutes, needs to sign those minutes, and then the archivist will upload them on the View site. At the subsequent meeting after the previous meeting, the minutes of the previous meeting gets read out, and other people in the room have the opportunity to comment on whether or not those minutes represent a true reflection of what actually happened at the meeting. So the chairperson is really, really important. The other thing that the chairperson does is that they really need to vet all information which is leaving the company and going out into the public arena. For instance, when the final submission, for instance, maybe in week 7 or whenever it is for their first business plan submission, the chairman needs to have a look at it and make sure that they think that that document is of high enough quality to go out to the public arena for critiquing, which of course is me. The other thing that the chairman needs to do is to just oversight that milestones when they're being put on the table at meetings are being met, and try and ensure workflow for the company and that things are moving in the right direction and at the right rate for the company to achieve its goals by the end of semester.